Trains.
The end.
Looks like this too is gonna take some getting used to.
I had a little fight with my daughter, and it's just that my home's still young, and I'm hardly ever a wife as it is, so...
Ah, yes. It's probably best if you sleep at home.
Yeah, that's easy for you.
It's probably best if you sleep at home.
Man, this has got to be the lamest date I've ever been on.
No, please, just pretend I'm here, okay? By the way, are you gonna eat that cake?
Cake makes you f***. I'm not gonna eat any.
Stand up and be counted, show the world that you're a man. Stand up and be counted, go with the Ku Klux Klan.
Then I'll give you the piece of cake as long as you agree to leave me and Light alone.
I found that you'd gain brain as long as you burn brains by using your calories.
So now you're calling me
Even if I leave surveillance cameras alone, I'm still gonna be watching surveillance cameras on YouTube, so it wouldn't make any difference. No difference.
Death metal.
You pervert!
You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. Last chance for cake. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. Last chance for cake. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. Last chance for cake. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. You can call me whatever you like. Last chance for cake.
What's wrong with you? 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 What's wrong with you?
Has to have. I thought he was helping. I was here.
Yes, I could have kicked on about batting on.
Could you stop it with your creepy hobby?
We have a red.
You tear me down and then you tear me down and then you tear me up and then you tear me down and then you take it. Go ahead and take it. Wow, if you're the sickness. Oh,
I'm depressed.
Are you feeling a bit more motivated now?
Yeah, I know that really hurt.
We're all gonna die.
Good! Most people do.